Welcome back to my channel DPAB. My name is Prabhakar, and in this video we are just going to check this built-in function called if in Excel. Okay, we are just going to learn about the built-in function if by applying these two logical tests. First, we will apply the logical test as mark less than 35, and the second logical test we are going to apply is mark greater than or equal to 30. Now, this particular if is the sheet next we are going there. We are just seeing here student name and this is the data available. Okay, so I'll just make it as 18, font number 18 so that it is visible. And now what you are going to apply here is, this is your test reference number 1. You are able to see a test number 1, logical test is less than 35. Test number 2 is mark greater than or equal to 35. And value is true, mark less than 35 means if it is true, the logical test is true. That is, mark is yes, really it is less than 35. Maybe 34. The student has got the mark as 34. So what the status value of the true, the logical test is true now. So it is giving the result as fail. Value is false. That means some student has got the mark as 36, let us say. So this is the logical test on which the 36 mark we are just applying. Mark is less than 35 on the mark obtained by the student is 36. Whether this logical test is true, no, it is false because 36 is the mark, actual mark, which is not less than 35, which is greater than 35. Okay. So it is pass. You can just say this pass. So this is the test number 1. Same way, test number 2, mark greater than or equal to 35. Okay. If this statement is true, the logical test statement means it is a logical test. Why we are seeing this logical test? Value is true, value is false. Because when you apply this formula here, you can type it here. Okay, just type it here. Now you are seeing these function arguments in this built-in function like this. I will snip it and put it here. And now are you able to see this as a picture? This syntax of this if statement here. I will apply this particular picture border and then make it as a red color here so that this focus will not miss in this place. Okay, now you are able to see this. This is the syntax of if built-in function. So if it should start with if, then open parenthesis. Within that, first function argument is logical test. Okay, second function argument is value if true. That is value if true is within the square bracket. So within the square bracket is optional value. You can give or you can just avoid this also. Okay, without giving this also it will work as a built-in function, but we should always exercise this built-in function by giving this true value. Now come to this area, I want to declare this particular two people statement here. Ganesh has got in max 80, so he has passed. Okay, Mukesh has got in max 34. So how to apply this particular detail in by applying these two different type of tests here. So test number 1 is says it less than 35, mark is less than 35. And test number 2 says this mark is greater than or equal to 35, right? So this particular table number 1, so we are just focusing on this table number 1. So pass or fail statement we are just going to see here by applying this test number 1. Okay. Test number 1 is, I'll put it as test number 2 here. Okay, test number 2 is what? This is our test number 2. So this particular test number 2 is what? Mark is greater than or equal to 35. So I will come and apply in E5 equal to if. What is the logical test we should give? Mark less than or equal to 35. But mark is the text, but I want to give this as a reference on 80, selecting this. When I select 80, computer automatically selects is a D5. Okay, so D5 is the mark greater than and then equal to. Greater than or equal. We have to read it as greater than or equal to 35. Then now you see this guidance in this block letter is logical test. That is the first function argument computer is asking. What is the logical test? I have given the logical test. Now, why this within square bracket value underscore if underscore true? That is the second function argument is not become block. So computers keep on asking logical tests again and again now the same thing. Because we are not applied this comma here. After CEST, there is a comma there. So I'm giving this comma. When I type comma, now it was, this logical test was block letter. That was very dark. Now it is jumped. After that comma is typed, it is jumped to a second function argument called value underscore if underscore true. Now computer is asking what is value if true? Value if true should be, it is pass. Okay. So pass is within double quote we should do that because pass is a text value. Anything in the string or text you have to give it in double quote. So that is also given now. Now computer still keep on asking value underscore is underscore true. That is the second function argument. It is keep on asking what is the value for the function second function argument. We keep on asking why because we are not given after this. There is after the square bracket ends of TRUE square bracket ending square bracket. There is a comma. Only after typing the comma, computer will stop asking this value for this value if true. That is the second function argument. Computer will stop asking the value for the second function argument only after typing the comma. So I type the comma. Now computer has stopped asking the value for the second function argument. What is the second function argument? Value underscore is underscore true. Now computer is asking this value if false, that is within this square bracket. Square bracket is optional. You can give or you need not give also. Okay. So now we will just leave it. If it is the mark D5, whatever mark available in D5 is greater than or equal to 35, then it is false. Else, we have to call the second comma here. Else, it should be failed. Okay. So I'm just typing it now, closing the parenthesis like this. So now this is over. So it says this pass. So when it is 80, it says pass. So what is the type of this test we have applied is test number 2 we applied in this state area. Okay. So this particular area we applied. Now this is formula text. What is the formula we have typed here? It is going to come here as well. So whatever formula we have typed, we can reproduce the formula in any other cell by typing this formula text. This is the function. So I'll type it in some other place and find out equal to formula txt. So are you able to see there is a guidance is coming formula text on this. Double click on that. It is a built-in function and the syntax is it is asking only one function argument. That name of the function argument is reference. I'll just select this 80 or this not 80. Here in this place E5 where E5 is containing the formula what you have entered using the test number 2. Enter this now. So this is the formula we have entered here. Equal to if open bracket D5 greater than or equal to 35, then comma. That means first function argument value D5 greater than or equal to 35. After comma, we are given between two commas within double quote pass, which is this value for the second function argument. What is the second function argument? It is value if true. So second function argument is value if true, right? Value if true, we are given here as pass. Understood that? And third function argument here is we are just coming here in this syntax area and then putting this as value is false. What is the value if false? It is failed. So the same function argument we have just got it. And this is the place where we have actually entered the formula text. I'll put it here in the neat way. Formula text is applied here. Where is the actual formula we entered? Here in E, right? E5. Now in E6 also, if you want to just copy and paste it here, it will be this fail. 34 means it is fail. So test number 2 is understood now. Now we'll go to the place where we are going to enter the test number 1 here. I will just delete it here. Apply this formula here. If here it is D17 in this place. Okay. D17 is earlier we have entered greater than or equal to. Now we will enter this is less than 35. If it is less than 35, then comma the logical value is true. Logical test is value if true is fail. This is ulta in the other way. Okay, fail, then pass. Are you able to understand this now? Okay, now. So it is giving this pass. Same thing, copy and paste it here. Now the formula entered here is available here. Okay. If D17 less than 35, fail. Otherwise pass. Else pass. Like this we should do it. Right now if built-in function is explained, our aim was to apply this logical test 1 that is marked less than 35 and logical test number 2 is marked greater than or equal to 35. Any test you can just use it. Same way in different conditions, people will be using if as a built-in function. If name equal to Ganesh, bring the value. If product category equal to fruits, bring the value like this. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video on built-in function explained by me. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much for that. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, DPAB, my channel name is DPAB, which I will just see here. So this is view your channel. This is my channel, DPA user. You can just go and subscribe it. But if you feel that you are not able to subscribe my channel, how to do that? Subscribe my channel, I just knew. Because now I'll explain how I am able to do and subscribe the channel of other people. I want to learn about the Excel pivot table. Okay, when I type this in the YouTube, so I'm getting pivot table detail like this. So let me just take it as pivot table session here. This particular video I'm just seeing here. Now this is the place where we will be getting the things like this. So now this particular arrow here is downside arrow. Already I have subscribed. So I'll just go and unsubscribe now. Click on this unsubscribe. Now you have this button ready to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Then it is bringing this bell icon. So it is you have already subscribed. So subscribe with this all element you should press it. Okay, this is the bell so that whatever video I'm putting, it will come to you as a notification. Then when you just go and click here, it will be yes, you are able to now like the button and then add the comment here also. You can just type it. Very nice explanation. Thanks a lot. Maybe some appreciation, gratitude you have to continuously share. So whatever gratitude you share to people, it is good for your growth. Okay, now this I'm able to write the comment. I'm able to select this like button. I'm able to select this all icon button because already I have signed into YouTube. Now I'll just go and explain without signing in if somebody is trying to subscribe and it is not enabled. Okay, what I'll just do here, I'll go and take some video here in this place where I have not in the browser, I have not signed it. Same thing I just explained here. Click on the share button here, copy this, and then go to this browser where I have not signed in YouTube. Okay, in this Microsoft Edge browser, I have not signed in YouTube here. I'm just watching through the web browser here. Right now, I'll just go down here. So now you are able to see this. It is still asking subscribe button because this in this browser it is not signed in. You are able to see here sign in is asking. So you have to sign in. Use your Google account, that is Gmail ID, give it, and then you will be able to subscribe the button. Now, if you go and subscribe it without signing, it will ask. You want to subscribe to this channel, sign in to subscribe to this channel. So you have to do it. Want to press the like button, like this video, sign in to make your opinion count, sign in. And then want to type the comment, again it will ask the sign. But whereas share can be done without signing out. You can just share this address to your friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, all this. Fine. So if you are not signed in, then it will not allow you to subscribe. It will not allow you to like button. It will not allow you to enter the comment. So please do subscribe by go and sign in to YouTube using your Gmail ID and then come and press the subscribe button. Click the bell icon button and press all in this and click this like button. Write some comment about this. If you have any doubt, if you want any particular video specifically, please put it there, right? And if you want to contact me, then please contact me in this particular number. I will just put it here. My mobile number is okay 9687607468. And my email ID is j16263dp@readysmile.com. And if you want somebody to get this paid basis, one-on-one only, I'm just doing. I'm not doing any group class as of now. Paid basis means because office executive who is earning the money only will be able to pay for the service. Quality is high quality service and solve their problems, whatever they are facing inside the company. Okay. The paid basis is rupees 12,600 if they want to learn the standard basic course. Okay, basic of Excel. And what is called as Excel Advanced? The paid basis, they can just pay this rupees 18,000. And this is also one-on-one only. Okay, both are one-on-one. I will be coaching only one person who is going to pay this money and then take the good quality of coaching or mentoring till they learn it. Okay, so this is 18,000 rupees, not 1,80,000. I typed it wrongly. Okay, 18,000 is one on one. Okay, and for advance. In this advance, what are the things you want to learn? I will explain during the demo. Demo is free. Demo is free. You have to just talk to me in this number and then tell me. So you will be having this idea about learn about VLOOKUP. Okay, next look. Anything you can learn whatever it is. Then chart, bar chart, this line chart, pie chart, and then people who want to go for automation, they can learn VBA, they can learn about macros, they can learn about Power Query. Power Query is the most people are asking. Whoever is working in multinational company, data cleaning activity. Power Query is for data cleaning activity. Okay, and it is called as ETL. ETL means extract, transform, and load. Everything you will be able to learn from me in a detailed way, whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the reporting problem, whatever may be the data cleaning activity, my data is not clean, it is not in a structure, everything, whatever is there is a solution for everything. Only thing you need to talk to me with your sample data, then I will be able to give you the right solution, and the solution you will be able to make on your own also in front of. Okay. Then next one is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is for mainly for making only after the data is clean data. Clean data in that you can just make some measures. What is the total order value? What is the total sales value? What is the total profit value like this? After that, you can just put it for KPI indication whether it is red or yellow. Your result, KPI means key performance indicator. So how is your profit is working? Whether it is in the red area or yellow area or green. Good. Green is good. Okay, like this also you can just make indication with many tables. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.